I'm sure you've heard the news. Tinnitus can be overwhelming, but there's hope. Tinnitus can be overwhelming, but the right sounds can help mask it and bring you some peace. Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for soothing soundscapes specifically designed to help manage tinnitus. From calming nature sounds to ambient music and gentle white noise, we've got a variety of options to help you find relief. Imagine drifting off to the gentle rustle of leaves or the soft hum of a distant river. These sounds can help mask the ringing and bring calm to your day. Don't forget to subscribe for more relaxing content. Together we can make tinnitus a bit more bearable. Find peace and relief with us. You deserve it.